Hello everyone. Children, in this video I am going to just explain how to find LCM using prime factorization method. So as you know, LCM, what does it mean? L means lowest or least, C means common, and M means multiple. So it is lowest, common, multiple. Already we have learned how to find the multiples of the given numbers. So in this, while finding the LCM using prime factorization method, first find the prime factors of the given number. One example we are taking, say 12 and 15. We have to find the LCM of 12 and 15. So first we will find the prime factors of 12. So what are the prime factors of 12? It is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 times is 4 and 4 3 times is 12. So 2 into 2 into 3 is 12. These are the prime factors of 12. Now we'll find the prime factorization of 15. So children, take only prime numbers. 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 15. The product will be 15. So 3 into 5, 3 and 5, these are the prime factors of 15. So first step is find the prime factors of the given numbers. Then what we'll do? Just collect all the common and non-common factors. Here in this, the common factors is 3. And the non-common factors are 2, 2 and 5. So find the product of common and non-common factors. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 gives you product 60. 3 2 times is 6, 6 2 times is 12, and 12 5 times is 60. So the LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Children, what are the steps? Let us revise once again. First, you have to find the prime factors of the given number. Then, product of common and non-common factors. And that product will be the LCM of the given numbers. Another example, 6, 8 and 10. There are 3 numbers. So first find the prime factors of 6. What are the prime factors of 6? 2 and 3. Then find the prime factorizations of 8. So prime factors of 8 are 2, 2 and 2. Then find the prime factors of 10. What are they? 2 and 5. Now find all the common factors. And then find the product of common as well as non-common factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. These are all common and non-common factors. So 2 times is 4, 4 2 times is 8, 8 3 times is 24, and 24 5 times is 120. So 120 is the LCM of 6, 8 and 10. I hope children, now you will be able to find the LCM using prime factorization method. Children, think positive, be positive and be happy. Thank you everyone.